Okay, we did this, and I didn't do number 4, so you add 4x to both sides. 3y equals to 6 plus 4x, divide by 3, and y equals to 2, and leave that as a fraction. It means something later, so leave it as 4 over 3, don't make it a mixed number. So this is the next one there, 5 and 7 is mixed. A, and these are the answers to them. Okay. Remember, angles are corners, sides are lines. Okay. And this is A, B, C, and D. Okay. And then number 9 is this. Put in your degrees. If this is 40, it needs to make 180. So this must be 140 to make 180. Okay. The vertical angle or corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, if they're side by side like this on your test tomorrow, make that equal to 180. So 3x minus 86 plus x plus 10 equals to 180. Okay, and then you go ahead and combine these together. You get 4x minus, combine these together. 76 equals to 180. Add 76 to both sides. Okay, you get 4x equals to 256. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals to 64 degrees, 64. Okay, then if x is 64 here, you add 10 to that. 10 to the x is 74. So this is 74, that's 74, 74, 74. And the other one to make 180, so 180 minus 74, you get 106. So the other one's 106. You add them together, see it's 180 degrees. 106. Okay. What's the slope of the line? What it means. So we start with the y-intercept, identifying the y-intercept. That's 0, 320. Okay. And then the slope, you don't need to explain what it means here. It won't be on a test. Just going to identify the y-intercept. Wilcox? Hey. Yeah, I'll move him. I'll move her. They play with each other. They like poke on each other. Okay, I'll move her. Bye-bye. Okay, because they want the meaning. They want the meaning, so 0 second, that's 0 second. This is 320 feet. And then we choose another dot. You can choose any dot you want. I'll choose 8. 8 second. 8 is the 8 second with 280 feet. Right here, this is the feet. Okay, and then to find slope, you do y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And the y's are 280 minus 320. These are your y's. And they're feet, right? So you get negative 40 feet. and then on the bottom is 8 minus 0, which is 8. So your answer is, this is second, these are seconds. Notice on the bottom it says seconds. I label it second. So it's -5 feet every 1 second. So it means, because it's negative, it means down 5 feet every 1 second. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. So slope is -5. The intercept, take this only, 320. The slope gets the x plus, and then that's a positive 320, and it's y equals. Okay, like that. Okay, again, given 2 points, the y-intercept, slope, we'll use this 0.0 weeks, this number of weeks, and $400. Okay, and then we'll 3 weeks, $100. Your second number is your y. First number is your x. So your slope formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Sub 2 is 100 minus the 400 over 3 minus 0. These are sub 1, so sorry. This is sub 2, the other one is sub 1. So -300 over 3, which is -$100 in 1 week. So basically, because it's negative, it means down $100 every week, every 1 week. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. Equation is equal, so y equals, slope is -100. This is our slope. Our intercept is 400 plus 400. Oh, sorry, that's plus 400. And slope always gets the x next to it. Same thing here. You pick 2 points. The y-intercept is where 0 starts. Slope, x sub 2, y sub 2. Oh, nope, I wouldn't want that one. Decimal, not a good one. Okay, I'll use 16. X sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 1, right? So y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So your y sub 2 is 84, and these are number of hours paid time off. So these are hours. Okay, these are hours. 84 hours minus 24 hours is equal to 60 hours. We need to know what it means. 16, these are weeks. So 16 weeks, this is week, minus 0 weeks. We get 16, and 16 times it doesn't go in evenly. Let's reduce it by 4. 4 times 15, yeah. Divide by 4. 4 times 15 is 60. 15 hours every 4 weeks. So the answer is 15 hours every 4 weeks. Okay, write it in slope-intercept form. equation is equal. Y equals the slope here is 15 over 4. The intercept is 24, positive. So the one that gets the x is the slope. And that's our equation. Okay, and this is a translation because it did not flip. Congruent sides. Side is lines, so let's do N to M is congruent to R to Q. M to P is congruent to Q to S. And then N to P is congruent to line segment R to S. Okay. Reflect x negative 1. X negative 1 is right here. Draw a line there. Reflect it over. P is 2 away. P prime there. Hey! Let me finish. I'm so sorry.
Go ahead.
I'm recording. How are you doing?
Good.
Awesome. I'm almost done.
That's okay. Go ahead.
Prime. And then the coordinates. The kids should know how to do the coordinates for this. Alrighty.
I thought I'd just come by and you could give me